So yeah, this is a pair of sneakers, I think. I'm not 100% sure as to which one is in this packet, so we'll take a look at this time. What is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals that I post, check the link in the description and happy shopping. My guess from the packaging is this one's not something that is too glorious. More or less something that I wanted to check out. So let's take a look and see what they sent, whoever they is. Came from California, but I don't necessarily know what company. And we'll take a look and see together. This is ridiculous. So bubble wrap game on point here. Might need that out, so I'll leave it there. Boom. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is awesome. So I bought these on YouTube, I believe. Yeah. Let's go ahead and open them up first. This is hilarious. Yeah, this is real. This is as real as it gets right here. Phenomenal looking shoe. Basically, I bought these off of YouTube. For some reason, I was just watching YouTube videos randomly, and I decided, oh, these things smell terrible, dude. They just smell like the cheapest, like plastic and maybe like toxic rubber materials I've ever smelled. But anyway, I was on YouTube and I was just watching videos, and I saw an ad pop up for a pair of these shoes. And I was like, this has to be a joke, actually. So I went to the site and I ended up buying a pair of them just because I thought it would be hilarious to do an unboxing video for you guys, just to see what this was, how they felt in person, and really just what they were working with, because it was really hard to tell the midsole what they had going on here. And as you could see, it's not what I thought it was. At first, it looked like a Vapor Max type of midsole, so it looked like an Air midsole. But this is more like a spring blade sort of midsole, paired with, of course, that human race style upper. But interesting naming, like with Sport Rage. No, it doesn't say Rage. It says Rag. I thought it was cooler when it said Rage. There's no tags in here, so I don't know the name of the company. I'll have to look it up and think, oh, that's weird. This is innovative. This is the first time I've actually seen hollow styrofoam foot thingies. That's hilarious. But yeah, I just wanted to get these to give them a try because they looked so incredibly terrible. And I was like, what if, I mean, the reviews on the website showed that these were actually well received. And I'm like, maybe people that don't know anything about sneakers might buy these and go, yeah, they look kind of like those other things. And they're really comfortable or something. But so as you can see, it has a mesh type upper. And then along the side, you can see this is actually a plastic cage material where the laces seamlessly integrate into the shoe. And then you have some rope laces here on the upper. It says Sport on one and then Rag on the other one. The inside of the shoe looks real simple. You can see the seams and stuff all over the place. Let's take a look at these bad boy insoles here. Yep. Pretty dope. Just regular black insoles, and then you could see the bottom of the shoe looks just like the bottom of just a regular shoe. Then we work our way down to where all the magic happens. This crazy, crazy midsole. It's spring blade like, and it's really heavy plastic. It looks like it could probably, oh, that's not good. Watch this. Look at that right there. That doesn't seem too good there. Moving your way up the shoe, you can see it looks like some Z's or 2s. So 222. Maybe it's subliminal. Maybe these should be called the SS222s or something. This does have a rubberized outsole on the bottom, and it actually looks kind of cool if you look at it from the bottom. But I mean, this feels like a cheap Chinese toy type materials glued on all over the place, and then it makes this shoe. There's also a textured type of synthetic material on the back of here. As you can see, it just looks like a felt on the reverse side of that. But yeah, that's pretty much a good look at the shoe. This is really, really terrible. I'm gonna wear them and see how they feel though, and I'll report back. Perfect. 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 So on feet, these actually don't feel as bad as they look. The upper is actually pretty comfortable, to be 100% honest. It really feels like any other pair of sneakers that you put on your feet with no real structure to the upper. Honestly, it feels sort of like the NMD Human Race upper with less structure. But then you work your way down to this crazy midsole, and this is where the problem arises. The forefoot of the area actually feels okay on your feet because this is a harder rubberized plastic type material. So there's not a lot of give and whatnot in the front of the shoe. But the back section here, I mean, you can see how terrible this is, how this bends. When you put these on, this is just like, honestly, a hazard. The closest thing that this honestly reminds me of is the Nike Vapor Max, how it has that segmented feel when you transition from heel to toe. And it's the same sort of thing back here. This is like totally segmented, and this is really bad. As you can see, it just kind of pops up and touches that. It's really not a very good heel section of the shoe. The rest of the shoe doesn't feel too incredibly terrible on feet, but I found this kind of entertaining because I was really thinking, like, who is actually buying these shoes? Maybe people just don't know about the other shoes, or they see the prints in the same fashion as the Human Race joints, and they just automatically think, oh yeah, those are those nerd NMDs or something like that. But I mean, it's just really, really misleading. People like grandparents or parents of kids that watch sneaker videos, maybe they might get an ad that pops up. Maybe I'll get those for my kid because they're on sale for $40 and they're normally $120, and that's a great deal, so let's buy those. Those look just like the other ones that he was raging about, but obviously not the case. So hopefully parents are going to do their research a little bit more. If you guys are going to find an advertisement on the internet on a product like this, it's best to just be able to actually go and do some real research, not just trust the site that you're actually buying it from. Because every review on their personal site says, like, they're magnificent, they're amazing shoes, 5 stars, these are the best shoes ever. And the reality is, like, these are really terrible. I wouldn't run in these. I wouldn't wear these casually. I wouldn't wear these for an extended period of time without risking probably breaking yourself on the back of these shoes. But thought it was entertaining, thought it was interesting to show you guys these shoes that I picked up from a YouTube advertisement on just a random sneaker video. So it's hilarious that YouTube takes the money from advertisers that represent something that's so flagrant in a sense. Like, I just don't understand why they would allow such a knockoff over top of some of those things. But this is the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys have any other suggestions similar to this that you guys would like to see, I know I've seen a lot of ads on Instagram and stuff. I could do that maybe, or something else. But yeah, shockingly terrible in person. As bad as I would have expected, and confirmed terrible. Anyways, that is a video. Hopefully you guys enjoy your day, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, notification bell to be notified of when I post videos, and we will catch you guys for some more videos soon. Peace, guys.